Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate Divi Builder in WordPress. You can follow along by using the link in the description to get Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Use your admin credentials to access the back end of your website. It's important to ensure that you have either the Divi theme or the Divi Builder plugin installed and activated. If you don't have these yet, you will need to install them from the Elegant Themes website. Once you have them ready, proceed with the steps. If you're using the Divi theme, start by navigating to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu. In this section, click on Themes. From here, you will be able to see all the themes installed on your website. Look for the Divi theme and click to activate it. This will make Divi the active theme on your site. If you are using a different theme but want to use the Divi Builder plugin, go to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click on Installed Plugins to view all plugins that are currently installed on your WordPress site. Find the Divi Builder plugin in this list. If it's not activated yet, click the Activate link under Divi Builder to activate the plugin. Once activated, Divi Builder will be ready to use on any page or post you create. Now, you're ready to create or edit content with Divi. To start, go to the Pages section from the left-hand menu. If you're creating a new page, click Add New. If you want to edit an existing page, simply find it in the list of pages and click to edit. You can also go to the Posts section if you're looking to add a post instead of a page. In this case, click Add New under the Posts section. When you're on the page or post editing screen, you will notice a button at the top of the page labeled Use Divi Builder. This button activates Divi Builder for the page or post you are working on. Click on it, and Divi Builder will be activated for this content. Once Divi Builder is activated, you will be prompted to choose your preferred method of building the page. You can choose Build from Scratch if you want to create a completely custom layout with a blank canvas. This gives you full control over your design. Alternatively, you can choose Pre-made Layout to select a ready-made template from Divi's library. This can help you get started quickly with professionally designed templates. If you've already created a page and want to reuse its layout, you can select Clone an existing page, which allows you to copy the layout of any page you've already built. After you make your choice, Divi Builder will redirect you to the Visual Builder. In the Visual Builder, you can start designing your page by dragging and dropping elements such as text, images, buttons, and more. The Visual Builder offers a user-friendly front-end editor that allows you to see the changes as you make them. Once you are satisfied with your design, don't forget to save your work. You can click the Save button if you want to save the changes without making them public, or click Publish. To try Divi from Elegant Themes for a great price, check the link in the description below. This will allow you to access Divi and start building your pages easily with its powerful features.